Welcome to Class 6 English, Unit 3, Prose, a visitor from distant lands. Can you guess who is that visitor? He often visits each and everyone's house. Come, let us know who is that foreign visitors. Prose, a visitor from distant lands. Distant means foreign lands. Okay. Do you know where are chilies cultivated more in Tamil Nadu? Okay, you can get the answer at the end of the lesson. What is your favorite vegetable? Yes, most of you like potato. With the potato, we will make so much delicious dishes. So you like more potato. Here are the characters of this lesson. Mani. Mani's sister Selvi. Then Mani's father and Mani's mother. Mani's family lived in a small village. Let's see. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Near Senji in Viluppuram district. Mani liked only few vegetables like potatoes and lady's finger. Here also so many children liked only potatoes and lady's fingers. Isn't it? Yes, it was so delicious food, no? Okay. Suddenly, Mani said, one day when Amma served potato curry, suddenly Mani said, No, I don't want to eat potatoes today. Mother exclaimed, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. No, they are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. Who said? Mani's sister said. Mani's sister thought the vegetables from the near the bus stop shop. Amma, Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India. Suddenly father said, So what? No, Pa. Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown fruit and to use things made in our country. So, I don't want to eat potatoes today. So, mother said, hereafter you don't order any soup, any tomato soup and pineapples. You can't order either tomato soup or even pineapple juice. Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. Mani, then you can't order anything. Happily said his sister. Because she ate everything. Okay. Next. Why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Because corns, tomatoes, pineapples and even ladies' fingers came from other countries, so you can't eat. Suddenly his sister asked, Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? Mother laughed. He said, and father also laughed. No, some merchants brought them here long ago by sea. Why did they bring vegetables to India? Mani asked. Then his sister also, they could have brought some sweets. Why didn't they bring some sweets also? People come to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. People came to India to search some spices. The special thing is they search about black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama came to Kerala in search of spices. Kerala is a spiciest land. He reached Kozhikode and took a lot of pepper back to their country. He reached Kozhikode and took so many pepper to their country for uses of spices. Okay, but who brought the vegetables to India? The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. Wow, this potato has traveled so far. Yes, potato also traveled from so far. Portuguese brought vegetables to India. Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it because they came from so far, no? So they began to eat it. Selvi pulled a long green chilli out of the curry. Careful, Selvi, don't upset our foreign visitor, Mom said. Selvi, Mom, who is the visitor? Who is our foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me. No, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chilli. Chilli also foreign fruit. Amma talking about the foreign fruit chilli. Yes, chilies were very popular in South America, but no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. Chilies were very famous in South America. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. Christopher Columbus sailed to South America for searching spices. This sailor was actually looking for India and wanted to buy black pepper. Instead, he found South America and the chili. So Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. Actually, they wanted to buy black pepper from India, but immediately they saw the chili, so they packed them and came back to the country. Chili was also one of the things that Portuguese brought to India. Chili also one of the things that Portuguese brought to our India. Okay. Chili is also very delicious, make delicious our food. In India, chili was first brought into Goa and the people there learned to use this new spice in their cooking. So this is a new spice, no? So they wanted to use the spices. How to use the spices? Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. Before the chilies came to India, they used pepper was spices in the cooking. How you make our food delicious? They thought chilies. What a long distance you have traveled. So they wanted to eat the chili. So they wanted to waste. They don't want to waste the vegetables. So to waste you would be very bad, and so we are going to eat you. Which one? Chili. It's hot and spicy. The chili's taste was very spicy, no? Okay. They shouted quickly and took a bite of the chili. So it was very hot. So see the mind map. Mani's family lives in Chenji, Viluppuram district. As Mani likes only potatoes and ladies' fingers, and one day he wanted to refuse eat potatoes. Why? It was a foreign vegetable. He knows about the foreign vegetable. Then Vasco da Gama and Christopher Columbus, they brought so many vegetables and spices to the India. Then Portuguese brought the vegetables like potatoes, chilies, and so many things. Okay, this is a small recap about the lesson. Okay, chilies. Here are the answer for the first question. Chilies are cultivated more in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. Chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi. See, some chilies were long and thin, and some were fat and stubby. People in India and Sri Lanka began to use these in their cooking. Soon it spread to many other parts of the world. Yes, nowadays we are using chili as a spices. Okay, let's see some glossary. Foreign belongs to other country. Merchants, people who trade. Sailed, traveled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventurous, brave and bold. Popular, well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.